Hey YouTube, thank you for watching our channel. I've been needing a whiteboard in here with all the projects I've got coming. I've got a whole pallet wood here. That is actually, all that is going to be converted into countertops for our kitchen, which I've got, that project is coming up. Actually, that's the next project. But what I needed in here was a whiteboard to be making notes and marking and stuff like that for each project. And I just happened to come across a 4x4 sheet of marker board that was being tossed. I cut it already so that it would fit within this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a frame around this and then put it with hinges up here so I can lift it up and it'll tuck up into the ceiling here, so it's out of the way when I need to get into the shelving. Because this is I've got shelving back here. And keep this on it so it keeps the dust from a lot of dust collecting on there. So join me for the ride and we'll see how this looks. It's not going to be fancy. It's just going to be hopefully quick. I've got pallet wood, a lot of pallet wood left from making the fireplace bookshelf insert, and we will see how this turns out. I'm going to make a small frame to start with, and just to keep it, because it's bowed right now, I guess it's been leaning up against the wall, tucked in a damp room. So it won't be fancy, but it'll be usable, and that's just making it work is my motto here. I'm trying to think of exactly how to do this. This particular idea, I'm going to be going by the seat of my pants with. I had a change of plan. As I walked past my wood pile, I saw this 4 foot by, well, I don't even know. That's 16 inches. And I thought this would make it'd be more stable, because I need to put a hinge or hinges at the top of this so I can swing it up into the ceiling. So that's what I'm going with. I think I'm going to put boards on this too from this side, screw it and pinch it in there. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. They're from an old cabinet. I thought I had big ones, but I don't. But I'm going to use these anyway. I think these work. Just screw them in, and if they don't, hey, I just get some other ones to put on it. Not a big problem. I'll at least put them even. Wow. All right. All right, there we have it. Now it looks crooked, but that's because the rafters are sloped that way. But this will go up, and it'll tuck up right like that, out of the way, so I can get over here to the shelves. And that's it. Done. I've got one. I'm excited about this. It's what I needed. I think it's going to be fine. It'll work. It'll do its job. All right. Thanks for watching. Check out some of our other videos on our channel and click on the like button. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.